What's going on, guys? My name is Ayush. Welcome back to Earth MotorCars. Right next to me is our 1969 Smeding built Camaro. First off, right off the bat, this thing is finished in a beautiful ultramarine blue with a very slick finish. It looks like factory paint, but it's not. It's built by one of the best in the game. It's got the classic shaved door handle style with the hidden. It's almost like you're in a Lamborghini Huracan, but you're not. You're in a 69 Camaro, baby. It's got the classic 1969 front end with the hidden headlights, and it's got the chrome bumper delete over here. Everything is paint matched on this car. It looks absolutely beautiful in the sun over here. The original factory mirrors have been swapped out for these right here, obviously paint matched as well to tie in all the blue into the car. Moving on to the back, this thing looks very different from your average 69 Camaro. Shaved bumper look, no badges, everything is paint matched, including the deck lid, and it's got a custom Kindig style spoiler on the back. For the wheels, this thing is sitting on some custom Budnik Fontana wheels, forged of course, and it has 4-piston Willwood brakes in the back and 6 pistons in the front, so you know this thing's gonna stop just as much as it can go fast. Speaking of going fast, the main conversation piece of this car is under the hood. The Smeding built 540 V8. And if y'all don't know what that is in liters, that is an 8.2 liter V8. This thing is naturally aspirated, pushing 640 horsepower and 680 foot-pounds of torque. Absolutely insane. It sounds crazy. It runs great. You guys need to hear this thing once we're on the road. It's pretty nasty. Engine bay is super clean in this thing. It's got the Willwood brake cylinder over there. Obviously the custom covers from Smeding. For the transmission, we've got a Tremec TKX 5-speed manual, and I don't know if you guys can see the suspension over here, but it's got TCI front independent suspension, which is not too common on these cars, but I think it's a great addition to this build for sure. And while the car is just sitting over here, I'm sure you guys can take a look at the stance. I mean, it looks so mean. It's sitting on a custom coilovers on all 4 wheels, makes this thing nice and low, and it just looks so aggressive, guys. I mean, just look at it. Moving on to the place where you'll be spending most of your time, the interior. This interior is fully custom. I mean, we've got TMI Racing seats in here, a custom center console, power windows, obviously your Tremec 5-speed over here, a JVC head unit, Dakota digital dash, custom door panels, a Budnik steering wheel, the full 9 yards. I mean, this car is insane. A glove box delete, it has a whole new dash over here, and a custom sound system as well. And as always, like we do in all our classic cars, it's got the custom Camaro floor mats to match the exterior paint. So as always, we like to keep our cars nice and comfy, being able to drive anywhere you want. So it's got vintage air installed, air vents everywhere, so you can be nice and comfy in your 69 Camaro. And now, moving on to my favorite part, let's start this thing up and hear what 8.2 liters of American muscle sounds like. There's a JVC head unit, you can see. That'll do it. I hope y'all can pick up on camera how loud that is. And of course, power windows, like you're in a brand new Camaro, baby. Right off the bat, super easy to drive. Obviously, Tremec makes amazing transmissions. They're in everything from old classic car barn find builds to brand new cars like the C8 Vet. Tremec does an amazing job. And paired with this crazy race prepped 540 V8 in this thing from Smeding, I think it is a match made in heaven, guys. Let's see what this thing can do. I mean, guys, this car feels amazing. It feels like you're driving a brand new Camaro, which is basically what it is, especially when you guys take a look at the underside of this thing. It is pristine, and it drives like a pristine one should. I mean, the Smeding blocks are the holy grail of Camaros, as I'm sure if you're looking at this car, you know exactly what these things can do. And guys, as we're driving through this beautiful December sunlight over here, I'm sure this paint is just absolutely gorgeous. To anyone driving past this thing, it is a neck breaker, head turner, whatever you want to call it. I know if this thing rolled by me, I would be staring. And oh, as you can see, it also has the paint matched dash as well in between the Dakota digital gauges, which I think is a pretty awesome touch. But even when you want to just chill, drive this thing normally, here I am, chilling at 2,000-3,000 RPMs in 3rd gear. Feels perfectly nice. It can be used as a cruiser, and it can smoke a Mustang off the line if you want to do that at a red light. I mean, just super smooth. Like I said, the Smeding motor with this Tremec just drives amazing. And the suspension is just dialed in perfectly. There's no rubbing anywhere whatsoever, even on bumps or sharp turns. The wheels fit perfectly in the wells, and the suspension rides just super smooth, guys. This is probably my favorite Camaro that we have in our inventory right now. And guys, I don't know if the camera can pick this up, but I mean, this is the classic muscle car sound in this thing. Obviously a 540 is gonna do that, but this thing is chopping and making all kinds of crazy noises, which is exactly what you would want when you're rolling around in a hot rod like this. So anyways, guys, that is our 1969 Smeding built Camaro, priced at $129,900 only here at Earth MotorCars. If you guys are interested in this car or any other of our classic cars that we have in our inventory, make sure to check us out at www.earthmotorcars.com. And we will see you in the next video.